This is the reggae music for the garage. You have to watching that is kind of about our life. The reggae is the one of the way the people do not understand the thing. What's going about you? To trust. Yeah. Oh, my time to destroy narrative. Oh, my father to give me advice. Before I'm a child, my father to give me the advice for my life. I forget, now I remember. Before my father died, I remember the things my father used to say to me. I wanna think it to move my life a different way. He was to try to do my own thing. I don't know that is gonna bite me. Now I remember the thing, the message my father to say to me. In my own family, to fight against me, to destroy my empire things. Oh, the people used to slander me, to pretend to love me. We are all people to my enemy. I know, I remember the thing my father to say to me. I am a freedom for my life. The people used to fight against me. We are all from my family to try to fight against me, to destroy my empire things. Easy. Oh, I am fighting to freedom. I'm fighting to get my freedom. It's my life. The people still surrender me. It's my own family. We are always my enemy to pretend to love me, to destroy my things. I destroy everything. I am okay to you. I remember the thing my father to say to me before I'm child. Oh, he said, I wanna me to try to destroy. I'm fighting to get my freedom. I willing to fight every day to try to destroy my own thing.